Hey guys, it's Ewan with Airzo with another FM2 Wildcat restoration update. As you can see, we've started to put the landing gear into place, which is really exciting indeed. But we've not yet put into place my favorite piece of the entire Wildcat, which is the gearbox for the landing gear. This is manually operated, and it would actually go about here on the aircraft. And there was a chain that went from a handle in the cockpit to this gear here. They would crank it, which would turn the gears, these ones would be attached to the landing gear itself, and it would bring them in and tuck them in here. Really cool, all manually operated, so when the pilot was cranking, often the aircraft would be going up and down, up and down, up and down, as the pilot was busy. With this hand, so the pilot was busy trying to crank that thing. So really cool, really excited to get this thing on here soon and get the landing gear system sorted for this Wildcat restoration.